So now you have yourself an account. We can just join for free here for now. Just, and believe it or not, you can do this. Create a password. You don't need to put an invitation code, but someone can give you one, and that will just kind of connect you with them. Just put that. All right, so it's successful. Now you want to check your account. So let's go into this. There's your sign up and confirm your email address, and boom, you're in. So now you have yourself an account. This is just a free account, but let's just go over the options, even though this is just a free account. So you'll see you don't have any assets or projects or stories just yet. You'll have to create that. But you can go to projects, and you can go to global projects, and you can look at other projects, like the EcoTerra project, and you can see all the stuff going on. And you can make your own project. So that's the first thing that I'll show on this platform.